Hi, I'm Julia Moyer, Chief People Influencer at The Vine People Solutions. Did you know that my passion for growing plants is almost as strong as my passion for developing people? Some might even say I have a green thumb for both. I guess that's what makes me a green thumb kind of leader. You see, over the years, I've honed my ability to create environments where plants not only survive, but thrive. I bring a similar mindset to my HR leadership roles. I'm all about nurturing growth and cultivating success in others. Believe it or not, gardening and leadership have more in common than you might think. While some say bloom where you're planted, my experience and my husband's country wisdom have taught me that a plant that can survive anywhere is most likely a weed. That's why some of you, I believe, are feeling choked out. It's because you're surrounded by weeds. You know what I'm talking about. Those staff members that are left unchecked, they're disruptive to progress within the organization, those are weeds. Makes you want a giant bottle of weed bit off. I don't know about you, but I'd rather be planted in good soil, surrounded by leaders who provide safe spaces to earn a competitive wage, support, guidance, and opportunities for growth and advancement. So here are 5 signs that you're in a positive organization primed for significant growth. Vision. Is there a clear mission and vision for the future? Growth and development. Are there opportunities for learning and advancement at every level of the organization? Empowerment. Are you included in major decisions and given the resources and authority to succeed? Patience. Are leaders willing to invest the time to help you adapt to change? Resilience. Are you encouraged to take risks and bounce back from failures? If you can say yes to all of these things, fabulous. You're in a garden that's nurturing your professional growth. If not, it might be time to consider a transfer, but don't go it alone. Seek assistance in finding a better fit. And if you're unsure of what you should do or your next steps, reach out. We're here to help. For this and other leadership tips, visit our website. Follow us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I'm Julia Moyer, empowering others to become the best version of themselves.